then the carcinogenic effect is enhanced.
So,
This has been proved by the research itself. So that is to be cleared, in this forum. That some of these states, for example, Rajasthan, they massage morning and evening since childhood, but the incidence of carcinoma is fairly less, as it should have been if only tobacco is the carcinogen. Yeah. The research says that when you add lime, then the carcinogenic effect
sir,
of
yes,
the
sir.
tobacco
Actually,
is enhanced.
I had the opportunity to visit a nicotine factory at the place where I studied. I studied from Gujarat district Anand. There's a place there called as Dharmaj where there's a nicotine factory. The way they extract nicotine from tobacco leaf is by mixing it with lime first. Then they treat it with sulfuric acid, and they extract the nicotine from the leaf, and then the sulfuric acid is then removed, and then they get the pure nicotine extract. So I think by adding lime, the nicotine, it helps in extracting pure nicotine from the leaf, whereas just massaging the leaf may not be releasing that much of nicotine so as to cause damage.
Yeah, that's the part.
That must be the
I
thing.
think I'll just add what was rightly mentioned was once you have this concoction where you have the tobacco leaf, you have the betel quid, you have the lime, katicho, I mean so many things which are added together, that concoction is much more potently carcinogenic than the tobacco leaf alone. But in India, since it's customary not to use it alone,
Yes.
especially the smokeless tobacco, so definitely we have much higher incidence, at least in the central part of India and also in the western part where submucous fibrosis, and then subsequently you have precancerous, other lesions and cancers.
What is your experience about women smoking and their children having placental insufficiency and IUGR?
Sir, I have not gone through that literature, sir. I have not. Maybe if there's some gynecologist here who can help me out.
Because my personal experience is
Sir.
that, I work at a hospital which is a high-end kind of a hospital in Bombay, Jastok Hospital. We have a lot of so-called sophisticated women who smoke like chimneys. Almost at least about 30% of their children, they have placental insufficiency. They go into IUGR and their children are born with much lesser weight. So I wonder if any gynecologist can tell me more about it.
Sir, as far as I know, IUGR is a very important association with smokers. And it is because of placental insufficiency, because of the decreased blood flow. And decreased blood flow reasons are the same, and coronary artery disease, placental disease,
Vasoconstriction.
vasoconstriction.
Dr. Chudamani Gopal, I was wondering about any study to show the mothers who were smokers and their babies, when these children grew up, did they have the natural tendency of going for smoking, and the other thing was, how was their mental makeup? Did they grow up as stabilized children or unstable personality, something of that kind? Any study?
I think when we are talking of a mother who's smoker, who's a stress-related person, etc., that runs in the family. And I firmly believe that when it runs in the family, it's a direct effect whether a smoker or non-smoker. The stress is the cause of the children not doing well in life. And therefore, it adds on with your smoking that these children they are exceptionally tense in life. And their stress levels are very, very high. And that's why, they tend to, yeah.
You see, you asked about the absorption of nicotine when it is massaged and when it is taken orally. See, nicotine is an electrolyte. All basic substances are absorbed more in alkaline media. So when we put it with tuna or calcium lime, not only release is increased, but the absorption is also increased. So it is not only the extraction process, but it is also the absorption. Skin being acidic in character, so absorption is less. Then other part that in your presentation, there somewhere you mentioned about the heroin. Actually, spelling of the heroin is Heroin, but there was E also. It may be a mistake, not yours. Maybe your secretary has typographical mistake, because in my department, once a letter was written, head of the department, but she wrote dead of the department. So there are so many things. Because heroines are found in Hollywood, Bollywood, but not in the morphine, and so spelling is not E. Thank you very much for evoking so much enthusiasm and questions. Other part, Lasa, as you said, you see there are studies in the rodents where the mother who are pregnant dames, they are exposed to the tobacco. It was found that the offspring for 7 or 8 generations were tobacco loving, because when nicotine was put in the water, then these offsprings were taking water. There were choices: non-nicotine water, nicotine water, and these offspring were taking more water which was having nicotine, and it went generation to generation. This had been proved that the mothers who are smoking, their offsprings will be more addictive to the cigarette. So studies are there in the rodents. Thank you very much.
There's one more, I think. Last, before then we will move on. Give the mic, please.
Yes. Being basic substance, all alkaloids are.
So can we conclude that the body fluid parts that are alkaline in nature, they are more exposed or more at high risk to tobacco consumption?
Yes. You see, the pH of the mouth is 7.4. It is neither acidic nor, so that's why this calcium carbonate is combined with this in order to release more, absorb more. But once it goes into the intestine, it is alkaline and is absorbed.
So, but this is contraindicatory with what is carcinoma of cervix, because as we know, vagina is acidic in medium, has acidic
Yes,
medium.
vaginal pH is acidic. Vaginal pH is acidic.
But vagina is also prone for tobacco absorption, means effects of tobacco.
No, it is because nicotine is absorbed and it is secreted through the blood into the mucosa. Everywhere in the body.
Thank you.
It comes through the blood.